My story project is on Mount Everest, and it takes the kids on a journey up the mountain at a few of the, landmarks, you would say. We put in some math problems. Along the way, besides doing the math, they get to learn a lot about the culture and about the mountain that they probably didn't know before. It's really exciting in more ways than just mathematically.
Megan started this project, and I became her teaching partner the following semester. And I kind of jumped in on it because I know the technical parts, and I knew I was going to have to be teaching it, so I had to get as into it as I could. So we had to research and plan what we needed for the problems and what type of information the kids were going to ask.
My project incorporates a lot of the Common Core standards for mathematical practice, specifically number 1, which is make sense of, and persevere. These problems are not as easy as one may think and how they initially sound. The kids kind of think that they're easy, and they really have to dig deep to kind of get through them. In problem 1, where we're packing the yaks, we definitely touch on ratios and proportions using conversions between grams, kilograms, and pounds. Problem 2, there's a little bit of Pythagorean theorem, but that is more of a modeling problem, and are they able to model their mathematics with drawings and or be able to communicate what particular numbers mean. Problem 3 is being able to make a decision and defend their argument. So, there's a lot of math involved, but it's more number sense and how they're making sense of it and how they're communicating it to other people. And if the students can ask for what they need without me just giving it to them, they have already made sense of the real world problem. They know if I'm gonna put a ladder bridge across this crevasse, then I need to know how big that ladder is. If they can ask for those things, that's half the battle right there.
My students have been absolutely in love with this project. They want to know what's going to happen next each day. Are we doing Everest? Are we going?
It's very evident when we're watching the videos, when you hear gasps and you hear ahs and oohs, and then afterward when they come up with question after question about what is it like and what do you think and what if and what about.
I had a blast. This has been like a 12 on a scale of 1 to 10 because I get to see my kids involved in something outside of just math, especially the kids who are bored with math and they hate math and math's no fun. When they walk into our room and see the prayer flags and they see that they need to get their Everest binder, they know that yes, it's math class, but it's fun and they get to write, they get to watch videos.
They love the fact that they're learning math in addition to learning about something that they have maybe even never thought about. I have a lot of students who say, oh, I'm gonna climb Mount Everest, and even if they don't, they're thinking about it and they can go talk about it now. They can go tell someone, oh, when you climb Mount Everest, the yaks carry your stuff to base camp and then you have to cross ladders in the Khumbu ice fall. Like, they can tell you stories, and that's amazing. They're the ones that keep us going and keep us happy that we persevered in such a big task in creating this.